Hey everyone, welcome back to my day 5 of my 30-day AI challenge. Yesterday, we made the futuristic city, and today, we're making something even crazier. We're taking emojis and using free AI to turn them into futuristic animals. Think about robot animals, hybrid creatures, neon sci-fi pets. Anything is possible. So, choosing the emojis. For today's futurist animal, I picked these emojis: panda, lightning, and fire. So imagine a panda, but it runs on lightning, and its fur glows like fire. That is gonna be awesome. Alright, I'm inside Emojis.space, 100% free. So today we're using their creature-friendly models like eggs, SDXL base, SDXL anime, and realistic version. All of these are great for futuristic creatures. Now let's convert our emojis into a description. So there's my prompt. Let me write my prompt here, and boom. Okay, so it's generating. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. Let's go. It's generating. So what do you think it will look like? Oh my god. Bro, look at that. It looks like a cyberpunk robot animal. Like fire inside his fur. This looks like a futuristic Pokemon. The glowing eyes make it look alive, bro. Let's make it even more advanced, like a super futuristic pet from the year 4000. So here's the prompt. Yeah, so that's the prompt. Okay, it's generating. So guys, what do you think it will look like? I think it will look like a boss fight creature. Let me see. Let's see. Oh my god. Look at the armor plating and the neon lines. Okay. But what if we made this a cute futurist baby version? Cute baby cyberpunk panda. Neon blue eyes. So here's the prompt. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. So here's the prompt. Now we're gonna wait. So look at this. The first picture looks so good, but the second picture looks like its father. Oh my god. So let me see. It's generating. Almost done. Oh my god, I look so cute. It looks like a baby robot but from the future. What if the future animal evolves like a legendary? So let's do this. This is our new prompts. Done. Generating. So that honestly looks like the first evolution of a Pokemon. I think it's the base one. Yeah, it kind of looks like that. It's like this is the first evolution, this is the second, and this is the third. I think oh yes, that is legendary. It's like a panda dragon hybrid with fire wings. And that was day 5. We turned 3 emojis into a fully future animal with evolutions. Tomorrow is day 6, where we create a video game boss inspired by emojis, and it will look epic. Comment below. So, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI fun. New episodes every day for 30 days. See you tomorrow. Bye.